We've been told countless times to wash our makeup off before bed. So here are some all-natural recipes for clean, glowing skin using ingredients that are ideal for your skin type. Oils actually have the power to dissolve excess oil from your makeup as well. You just need to find the best one for yourself, and we're here to help you. Start with a quarter cup of rose water and add in 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil and a few drops of vitamin E oil. The rose water is soothing to irritated dry skin, while the sweet almond oil is incredibly nourishing and protects from sun damage. The vitamin E oil prevents premature aging. Take a quarter cup of boiled water and mix in 1 teaspoon of baby shampoo and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The olive oil helps dissolve your makeup while nourishing dry skin, and the baby shampoo helps wipe the makeup away and will prevent your skin from becoming too oily. Mix 1/4 cup of brewed green tea, half a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. The antioxidant properties in green tea help reduce excess oil when needed and also slows aging. Glycerin makes the skin hydrated and supple, while grapeseed oil restores collagen and brightens your skin. Mix together a quarter cup of jojoba oil and a quarter cup of witch hazel extracts together. Jojoba oil is the closest oil to our natural sebum, so it cleans oily skin without making it greasy, while the witch hazel is soothing to any irritation and will tighten your skin and prevent acne too. Mix 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and combine it into a smooth paste. The petroleum jelly will never clog your pores and is extremely gentle but effective for removing makeup, while the aloe vera soothes redness and any irritation. When removing makeup, apply the mixture to a cotton pad and let it sit on your eyes to melt away stubborn makeup before wiping it off and following it up with a rinse. You can also pour this mixture into a jar and allow it to soak into pieces of microfiber towels for your own reusable makeup wipes. Makeup remover is an essential item for every woman. And with these natural DIY methods, you can take care of your skin in a clean and green way. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.